Hey everybody, how you doing? Welcome back. It's the final hour of trading, Thursday, December the 30th, 2021. The year end is fast coming upon us. We're open tomorrow, regular hours. And by the way, I will be here tomorrow in the morning for the morning show, starting at 8:30. We're open tomorrow, starting at 8:30 a.m., but I will not be here tomorrow afternoon. Jennifer and I will be we'll be really homeless. We're heading to a hotel. Couple of nights we have to be in a hotel, and then we move into our condo. It's a bit of a two-step, but that's the way it goes. So I can't be on with you tomorrow afternoon, but the year end is coming upon us here. Fun times. We're having an okay day today, I would say. The market itself, as far as the Dow goes, it opened up strong, but then it swooned and it's now been flatlining. It's been about plus 20, 30 most of the day here. Right now, it's up 28 points for the Dow Jones. The S&P is up 5.3 points. Nasdaq is up 72. So nothing unbelievable happening. But we're not giving back these record highs. Where they're not going back, and the reason is simple. There's so much money coming into this market now, and the selling is drying up. The available stock that had been available the last month or two has dried out, and that is the tax selling stock that was just coming in from all angles. All over. It's all done. 1% of it left, 0.5% of it left. I mean, it's over. So the buyers are overwhelming the sellers, and that means certain sellers are going, well, wait a minute, why would I want to, hey, I'm not going to sell stock if there's more buyers. We're going to go higher. No. And so, people kind of think about, making money. Why would you sell a stock if you kind of know it's going to go up or you sense it's going to go up? Why would you do that? Rocket Lab, talk about going up. 1197 here, up 64 cents now on Rocket Lab. The story of the day is that it opened up at about 11:30 this morning, $11.30. That was the low trade of the day, by the way, the opening trade. And then right away, within about an hour, it was kind of in this 1180, 1190 range. And it would kind of make a run at 12, but couldn't get there. It would get to the 1195, 1196 range, go back into the 1180s and back to the 1190s. But then the breakout took place, a little mini breakout around 1 o'clock. We hit 1202, 1208. Now we're back to a 12 again, 1199 at this exact moment in time. Up 66 on a volume of 1.6 million, and we're flatlining up here now. We're flatlining around $12 right here, just as I speak. It's trading at $12. SoFi, very good day today on SoFi. $16.16 right at this second. The high of the day, $16.35, just about 30, 40 minutes ago. And we've traded 34.68 million shares, more than usual. We're probably going to push 40, 45 million today, the way it looks like it. The low of the day was the opening area, the open at 1450. We left off there yesterday. We were yesterday, or even on the yesterday, the 29th, we were down to 1418 for the low, if I recall. That was a low trade. Excuse me. We have reversed that now with a 1612 last trade. The high 1635, low 1450, and we have been in the last 2 hours over $16 a share quite comfortably. So stock will go higher, in my humble opinion. This baby has already hit 88 miles an hour, and we are seeing serious stuff happen here. The volume is everything. The volume is telling you, it's screaming at you, wake up. We are trading heavy volume here. We're going higher, and that's exactly what I expect to happen. And this is the slow week. This is the dead week between Christmas and New Year's. Nothing's supposed to happen. It's happening on SoFi now. Wait till next week when theoretically everyone's back. See how that goes. Mallow, thank you. Mallow Shark, thank you for upgrading your channel. From up to the gold bagel level. Those of you who don't know, we have a new level for this channel. We have the regular membership, Chillin' with Uncle Bruce, and now we have the gold bagel membership level, where you now get additional features if you join that level. And the big feature is going to be daily updates in the pre-market every day. Every morning you're going to get an update either in text form or a video just for Gold Bagel members of what to look out for, the investment update from yours truly. Might be certain options you need to take a look at, certain stocks you need to watch for, certain announcements you need to be on the guard for. Might be might call out an option you might want to consider writing, a call option you might consider buying back, or stock. You name it, you have no idea what's going to be, because I don't know what it's going to be. Every morning will be different. Those of you who are becoming Gold Bagel members, thank you for upgrading, and I hope you enjoy the new features of the new membership level. Back to our stocks, 1617 on SoFi, like I say, now up 170 on the day, and we could go higher yet. GameStop 155.92. We're up $2, but we did touch 160 today, and I have been I've been cautioning you guys about writing a call option on GameStop lately. I've been saying might not be a good time to do so. I mentioned this as of yesterday morning. We were down in the mid 140s, high 140s. Now we touched 160 today. We're at 155.90, almost at 156 now. I wouldn't be surprised if through today and possibly through tomorrow, we get into this 165.70 range quite easily again. And I would rather you watch your stock go up in value and you get richer as it appreciates, and then target option writing once we kind of plateau a bit. Well, we got to find out what that plateau is. And I think that with only 1.26 million traded, by the way, today, this is not like, it's trading like crazy. We haven't started that yet. Are we going to trade like crazy next week in these markets now that we are free and clear of tax loss selling once and for all? If GameStop were to trade 3 to 5 million a day, just that, we could gun this thing 10 to $15 a day on the upside. So do not be shocked if all of a sudden you're noticing, geez, this 165, 170 again, or 172 to 180 range now. I think something's coming. We're not going to $100 a share. We're not going down. I think it's a question of how high are we going, and we haven't had any news. Is there news coming in the first of the year that they're sitting on that they want to talk to us about? I don't know. But I like the look of the stock right now. This last couple of days, technically, it's really looking strong. And I'm not so sure we've topped out here. I wouldn't be surprised if a $5, $10 pop like that can happen in 15, 20 minutes, because it's kind of running out of paper to stop it, just to keep it down here. That's my hunch. Just, the old man kind of going, it looks good. It looks really good. Amongst Great Danes has just announced and just let us know, welcome to the gold member level. Beautiful stuff. This isn't an upgrade. This is an out and out brand new join the party amongst Great Danes. Thank you for popping in here and joining the channel as a gold member level right off the get-go, and welcome. I'm glad you're here, and you're among some pretty good people here. Fantastic. This is absolutely wonderful. Let's see. A sign is saying, Uncle Bruce, the Uncle Bruce index, the UBI, yesterday it closed at 1026. The UBI index is now at 1077. If you're wondering what the UBI index is, it is a collection of all the stocks that we follow here, the 8 former Spacs plus all joined together, averaged out into one price, bumping up almost 50 cents today. We are having a good day today. Matterport right now, 21.93, up 61 cents. The shares opened this morning at 21.02, around the low of the day. They have topped out at 22.50 already. That's just after about 1:30 this afternoon. And right now we're 21.93. We'll see if we get another run here, another rally. 2.69 million volume now on Matterport. ME 685, up 30 cents. Volume 2.86 million. The opening was the low of the day, 652. Ran it up to 709, and now we're at 685. A little pullback, but not lots. We can go higher. Spire, talking about a stock on fire, opened at the low at 341, and we've been as high as 362. We're at 358.5. We're not giving up any ground here. 599,000 shares. I love this. the way this is looking really good. And ATIP, the low today, 304 today. Last night, low of the yesterday, 298 was the low. Now the high today, 339.5. We're trading at 332 right now, up 29.5 cents. I love this performance. Mark K has joined us here. Mark K, how you doing, man? Upgraded membership to the gold level. Thank you for popping in here with us. Great to have you at the gold level membership level for the Gold Bagel membership level. Appreciate that that you're here. I really love these that you folks are joining us. Absolutely fabulous. Thank you all so much. All right, ATIP volume 1 million today. 1 million shares. Whatever you want to sell, they're buying it. And whatever you want to give up, they're just buying it up. No problem at all. Anyone who wants to buy into ATIP in any kind of a serious way, not easy to get anymore without moving it 4, 5, 6, 8, 10 cents. You're going to move the market. It's thinning out big time. Love this. Almost up 30 cents right now. Smart Rent 988 up 32 cents. The opening a few minutes, we hit a low of 952, and the high of the day 1008. Right now 988. So just 10 cents off the low. Now we're at 990. So we're popping up a little bit. So we're about 18 cents off the high. We had a spike actually around 115. We went from like what was it, from in 989 right up to 1008 and then back to 990 all in 10 minutes. It was just and it's now just running along again. 300,000 volume on Smart Rent. Sextera down 6 cents on at 1234 on a volume of 114,000. I can cut that stock a break because it's been hitting new all-time highs all week long. No complaints from me. Katie Mortar. Katie, how are you doing? Upgraded her membership to the Gold Bagel level. Thank you, Katie, so much for your support of my channel, and we will endeavor to get you the information you need every morning before we open up to help you understand what's going on and what you should be watching out for. If there's any new stock tips coming out, or any new stocks that I like and that type of thing, as before, if I come up with a new stock that I think you should be watching and following, I will make a general announcement on the channel for all members, the base level and the gold level. But on a daily basis, I will be updating, putting out investment advisories, alerts, pre-market every day just for gold members. This is why folks are upgrading to the gold level. They understand that if you want to write options, sometimes there's news that's coming out that you need to be aware of right away before the market even opens, just so that you can assess for yourself whether you need to make any adjustments to your portfolio in the first 20 minutes or first hour. There may be mornings where I come out with an announcement, I come out with a video to you guys where I'm going to tell you to do nothing. I'm going to say, look, this market is doing this, or the market is doing that, or Europe did this, or Asia's doing that. And I don't want you to do anything. I want you to just hold up. Don't panic. Don't move. Don't twitch. I want to keep you from making mistakes and giving away dollars that are not deserved to be given to anyone but for yourselves. So there are times where I'm going to try to calm you down, and other times I'm going to try to spur you on. Other times I'll just kind of notify you and give you heads up as to what's going on. That's kind of what this is all about. And as a gold member, you're going to get these alerts. You can count on them every day, and you go, okay, what's he telling us? What's the scoop? And then he's coming on with his 1 hour rant like he always does, and then he opens her up, and let's see what happened. So thank you again for the confidence in my channel, and that you're improving, you're moving up your level to the gold bagel level. Thank you all so much. I really appreciate it. Let's move on. Other stocks. AMC's up $1.31. Robinhood up $1.33. VanEck down $1.90. Nothing too serious there. Home Depot, it's just up 86 cents. IBM is up 74 cents to 134.09. The Dow is up 10 points. S&P's up 1.9, and NASDAQ is up 45. The Dow hit the high today, hit a new all-time high of 36,679. That is the new level, 679. Right now we're 36,498. So we're about 181 points away from the all-time high of the market, which was set in the first 15 minutes this morning when we broke yesterday's latest record. We just broke it for a little bit, just barely, and then we backed off ever since. This is to be expected. The Dow has had 6 straight up days in a row. And today, I wouldn't be surprised if we have a 1 or a 2 or a 5 point drop on the Dow, that we end up negative 5 points and we break the streak. And everybody goes, oh, well, 6-day streak. What can I say? I don't expect a massive sell-off coming into this Dow Jones Industrial at all. I don't expect a massive sell-off in S&P. I don't expect a massive sell-off in NASDAQ. I think we've got ourselves a slingshot that is just being pulled, and in the new year, it's just going to be, and we're gone, baby. We are on a run. Dow 40,000 this year is possible. I'm not guaranteeing it, but technically it's possible. It's only 3,500 points away. It sounds so impressive. Dow 40,000. Ooh, what a predictor. 3,500 points. That's 10%, not even 10% on the year. Earnings are expected to increase 8% for the S&P 500 stocks this year. 8% of the estimates by analysts. That puts the market up dramatically because you earn $1 a share more for your company, and you're trading at 30 times earnings. You're going up $30 a share. We got some serious earnings coming out soon, probably in late January, early Feb. The earnings season will hit. All the fourth quarter numbers will come out, and there are companies making a ton of money here. So we'll watch for that. All right, let's continue on. First of all, MI Blue 003. Welcome. Welcome to the gold member level. Brand new member, not even an upgrader, brand new member. Welcome to the channel. I'm glad you've joined us. And also, Paul Sugar has joined as a gold member. He has upgraded his membership. Thank you, Paul, for that. Hope you're doing well. And Drops Family Garden has upgraded also to the gold member level as well. Welcome, all three of you. And now we have Caverde has come in. Caverde has also upgraded. Thank you for that. Lovely to see you all coming on board. I will not be all alone in the pre-market when I do my daily updates. I won't be talking to 4 people. There's going to be a bunch of you here, and I'm stoked up. I'm really excited about this. John Gill is here. Welcome, John Gill. Upgraded to the membership as well. Thank you, John, for coming on and coming in. Love it. Looking forward to working with you guys and giving you the latest updates on what we see going on every morning. Microsoft is off 80 cents. Apple's off 36. Tesla's down $7 to $1,079 a share. Bed Bath Beyond is up 7 cents. BlackBerry up 32. Royal Caribbean down 43 cents. Goldman down 61. Cisco's down only 13 cents. Amazon was up $6. Facebook up 273. Google down $2 a share. So not too much happening, on wild swings at this point. We're not expecting any really, because again, this is the week. Nothing's supposed to happen. This is the week where it's between Christmas and New Year's. All is calm, all is well. The last of the tax selling is getting done, and people are getting their holidays in, and no one's around theoretically. Nothing's supposed to be going on theoretically, but there's stuff happening. There is stuff happening behind the scenes, kids. Both the first 2 weeks of January are going to be very active. Count on it. I can tell you, we are going to be active the first 2 weeks of January. All kinds of action. So stick around for that. It'll be a lot of fun. We're up 18.5 on the Dow now, a little better. Up about 4 on S&P. We're up 50 on the NASDAQ. Oil at 76.59, up 3 cents at this point. Now it's up 6 cents. Oil just a little better, but not much really happening. Let's see, a quick recap of our favorites. Rocket Lab up 68 at $12. SoFi 1610 up 162. Gamestop up 187 at 155.80. Matterport up 60 cents to 21.92. ME up 29, now up 30 cents to 6.85. Spire 358 up 16, and ATIP 332 up 29.5. Pennies Smart Rent up 31 cents to 9.88. Sextera 12.38, down only 1 penny. Once we turn that one around, every single SPAC, the former SPAC that we're following, will be in the green, including GameStop. How about that? Frumbler has become the latest member to become a gold member. Thank you, Frumbler, for becoming a gold bagel member. Love having you here, as you well know. Fantastic, guys. Look at those bagels soar, says False. Nicholas says that SoFi is prepping for another wave. I like that. Let's make it happen. Let's make it happen. Suxel is saying, hey, Bruce, show me the money first, and then I'll become a gold bagel member. You know what? Whenever you're ready, kids, if you're going to become a gold bagel member, whenever you want, you pull the trigger, and I thank you. I'll be here. I'm not going anywhere. Let's see how the markets want to go this last 40 minutes. We have 40 odd minutes left in the day. Dow just went up now 20 points, so a little better on the Dow. We'll see if there's a serious buy wave at the end. There could be. There could well be. The Dow may not have a down day today. No serious resistance. Just I'm kind of wondering if we're going to get any kind of trading, computer trading coming in, algorithmic programming coming through. That's all I'm wondering about. That can swing a market quickly. There could be today, last minute, last 30, 20, 15, 10 minutes, there could be portfolio adjustments. I am definitely expecting that tomorrow afternoon. You're on your own on this one. Tomorrow afternoon at the bell, you're all by yourselves. You're going to have to watch out for any kind of wild gyrations in stock price as institutional investors realign their portfolios. That could be happening in some cases. I don't know about the stocks we specifically follow. We're not necessarily big-time institutional held stocks, but I'm talking about the big FANG stocks and others. There could be some adjusting, but then again, it might be a nothing burger, and we wimp out with a quiet close tomorrow afternoon. And Monday morning, let's just see what happens. We get back at it, and we'll take it from there. Okay. Thank you, Carol OV, Michelle Westlake Gold Bagel membership. Lots of goodies, daily alert, access to prime time on Wednesday, alerts for new stocks to follow, and more and more and more. That's right. Anti-PC, I can't seem to stop, she said. The Credit Savage, love Wall Street, not taking retail investors like me into account. I am not in the house either. I'm at the beach, baby. Yet I am trading and making a few $1,000s while my kids play in the waves. And this is the new world. This is absolutely the new world. Credit Savage is one example right there of the new normal. This is the new market, the way of the market. 10 years ago, 15 years ago, Credit Savage would go to Hawaii for a week or two with the family, out of communicado, out of touch. The broker might not even know. The broker might know that they're at a hotel in Waikiki, would have a tough time tracking him down, have to call the front desk of the hotel and then leave a message to the room if he's not in the room. There's no way the Credit Savage would be doing any kind of option trading 15, 20 years ago, 5 years ago, not a chance. Even 2 or 3 years ago, it would have been very difficult to pull off the trades on options from Waikiki. Today, sitting on the beach, he's got internet connectivity. He can trade his account all day long whenever he wants, and that's on a vacay mode. Those of you who are working at home now, you're stuck at the house because you're no longer at the office. You're trading from home. Whether you're going for a Starbucks coffee to meet a friend, or whether you're going to see a friend of yours or something like that, whether you've got to run an errand, your account is with you on your phone wherever you go. This world has completely changed. Wall Street keeps talking about how, nobody's around, and so there's nothing really going to happen. Well, explain to me then, if there's nothing going on, there's nothing happening, why has SoFi traded 36.1 million shares today? Explain me that. That isn't one block trade of 30 million shares and then a bunch of little guys doing the other million. This has been trading, but with hundreds of thousands of investors, probably thousands, all day long, all the time. Yeah, we are in tune here. We're all connected, and we're all in through the massive servers that are out there to be able to do what we're doing. And this is only going to get more intense. We have got, in the next 2 years, probably another 500 million people are going to join this market and become investors in this market. You can count on it. The platform trading services that you enjoy in Canada, the United States, in the UK, and elsewhere, they're now being created everywhere in even the third world. And so there are going to be platform trading systems everywhere on the planet that over the next year or two, through affiliate links and whatever else, will be able to offer all the trading you want, including options. And this is why I keep reiterating to those of you out there who are trading and writing options that the premiums are going to be juicy as all get up, because a lot of folks out there do not have the kind of capital that Westerners have. And this is the trick here. We Westerners can cobblestone enough assets together to buy 100 SoFi or 1,000 SoFi or whatever number of shares we want to get, and we can then write options on those. There are people out there who are going to love the SoFi story. They're going to love a Matterport story. They're going to love stories like this for years and years down the road, who have in no way got the kind of money to buy 100 or 500 shares each. They're only going to be able to play the market by buying and selling options. And you guys are going to be the generous, loving investors who are going to be offering way high premium contracts for all the world to play with. And they're going to overpay because there are going to be too many of them. This is really the bottom line. I think we're going to see situations where some folks are going to go, I have enough money to buy 45 shares of SoFi, but I also have that amount of money could also get me one call contract, depending on which call contract we're talking about. It just might be the call contract you want to be writing at the premium you want to write it at. And now we have this game going on where we have those who don't have the dough to play the stock who are going to come into the casino to try to play the slot machine on the stock. And it's your slot machine that they're coming to because they need a slot machine to put their money into, and you're the one offering it. And here we go with the time on your side and momentum and experience. You're going to offer contracts with 1 or 2 or 3 weeks left to go, and you're going to enjoy premium shrinkage every time on a whole bunch of these, and you're going to make yourself some nice money. So watch for that. Credit Savage, good comment. Robert, are you doing a test perk for the gold members tomorrow? I probably will. I'll probably do a pre-market alert tomorrow morning. What else is going on? Oh, Zed Estate is saying, you know what, Bruce, I'm thumbs up number 113, just so you know. We have 125 thumbs ups now that have come in. Let me know, what thumbs up number are you? Help us out. Hit that thumbs up button for us if you could, and give this show a bit of momentum. That would be great. Gold members should get free access to the options videos, they say. The options videos. You're not talking about the classes, are you? Are you talking about the classes? You're not getting it. Let's see. Good gosh, no, man. Let's see. Drops, credit steps. Yep, just trying to avoid the 32% tax bracket this year. There you go. Let's see. This is not, as Credit Savage is saying, this is not your grandfather's stock market anymore, kids. We have very efficient phones. We can trade with at will. All we need is a signal and, of course, some coffee. Gotta have that coffee. There you go. Exactly. Silka, YouTube won't help me upgrade to Uncle Bruce's Gold membership because I'm not premium YouTube subscribed. Typical. That shouldn't be an issue. You don't need to be a premium YouTuber at all. That should not be the problem. You can be a member of any level of my channel without being a premium member. Silsica, you may want to, or Silica, you may want to double check that the device you're on is operating on Windows through Google. Some of the folks here have been saying that you can how to do the upgrade. Again, I don't remember exactly the instructions. Again, I'm not a technical guy. I'm just the creator of this channel. I don't know how all this stuff works. But Silica, do not give up trying to become a gold member. You can become one. You're just going to need to read my comments. Someone here will probably run you through it or help you out as to how you can become a gold member. But be absolutely sure that whatever you're using, whatever you're on right now to watch me, is Windows operated. I believe that's the secret. Nelson, Uncle Bruce, now that I'm a Gold Bagel member, can I get an update on the lamp and curtain? How have you addressed this market and analyst tool for the new place? Should I call Costco? Well, first of all, there is no lamp. There is no curtain. There's simply a green screen back here. It's a complete pretend. It has just completely fooled everybody on the planet that people actually think I'm in Palm Desert, California, when in fact I'm in Creston, British Columbia. I'd show you outside. I'd show you what it's like outside, but it's just so miserable. I don't want to down you, so I really don't want to depress you. So just bear with me. But we're all good. We're all good. Michael, I didn't go for gold. I didn't go for the gold level just for the perks. I wanted to support the channel, and Michael, I appreciate that too. I can't seem to stop, Michael. I can't seem to stop. Adventure Duncan coffee is ready here. I got it. Michael N is a new member. Michael N, welcome to the channel here. Welcome to the gold level member level. Straight out from the street, comes right into this channel as a gold member level member. Thank you for joining this party and this gang of kids. Welcome to the party, pal. We have fun here. Thank you. Socia says, good evening, fellow simpletons and Uncle Bruce. I hope everyone's having a great day so far. Simpleton, I'm number 120 checking in. Beautiful. Adventure Duncan, right, Splir. Rodrigo saying, Splir said people are forgetting thumbs, and Adventures is saying that's right. Rodrigo is here as a member. Thank you, buddy, for upgrading to the stream and to this level of the channel. Appreciate that, pal. It's great. Rico, I love to hear that, Credit Savage. I'm working up to that level myself, thanks to Bruce. Believe you me that I will hand deliver a gold statue of Uncle Bruce one day. Michael, APC, a perfect circle. Andy, go in the corner, DQ. Let's see, Credit Savage. Day starts at 4 a.m. with a cup of Joe in my hand and Uncle Bruce on my phone where I have double screen going, and I also watching my Schwab, Webull, or Robinhood accounts. I make money in 1 hour and I'm out. Simple as that. What kind of great vacay is this? Beautiful. We are driving to New York now from Florida, says Carol. Why? It couldn't be that the whales are scared that the bank charter can appear now every day, so they take the bargain on at SoFi. It could be. Let's see. You're going the wrong way, Carol. That's right. Larry, hi, everybody. Hello there. We've got 28 minutes to go to the close. Been working from home for over 20 years, says Drops. Michael, what's that? Murdem Noms? I don't know what's going on here. Why are there empty whipped cream cans piled up in this corner? I don't know what's going on. Nelson, how does she know where you're going? Let's see. Carol, Auntie, my mother-in-law didn't want to come, so we are going. We haven't seen her in the past 3 years. There you go, Mike. Michael, come to New York. They said, have a few laughs. Come on to New York. Have a couple of laughs. It'll be great. We'll have a good time. Adventures with Duncan. I can just see on the Reddit headline, Simpleton's crowd increases. Thoughts on Apple to close the week. What are your thoughts on Apple to close the week? Well, It didn't seem to have that run, did it? I was wondering if it was going to take a shot today at 182. It looked like the first hour looked good. Topped out at 180.56 though, and then just stopped, and it's backed off down to 178.66 for the low. We're 78.94. Again, this stock will reach the high if the Dow is breaking the high. If the Dow is breaking its all-time record highs, Apple will sneak up there. But for Apple to, on its own, take a shot at a $3 trillion market cap, I don't see it. I think that you have to remember that if the stock of Apple breaks through 182 and goes higher than that, every single shareholder of Apple will then be in a profit position because they're all up. It's at record highs. And you add up how many billions of shares that represents, that every single one of those is in a profit position. You've got people going, gee, is this a good time to sell this stock? I wonder if I should sell and maybe buy it back if it backs off a little bit. The psychology just goes nuts. The only way Apple's going to break the all-time $3 trillion mark is if it busts through it by like 100 billion more and goes to 3.1 trillion, not 3 trillion and 50 million. To do that, it's going to need the Dow to take a 500-point shot or a 250-point shot right through the record. That's not happening right now. We're down 8 points on the Dow. Just might have a slight drop on the day here. We got 25 minutes to go. We're down 8 on the Dow, now down 9. S&P is only now negative. The S&P is negative a quarter of a point, and the NASDAQ is only up 39. So the markets are slumping a little at the end here. Completely understandable. 6 straight up days in a row without a break. We could see this now. Is it going to be a 100-point sell-off in the last 25 minutes, or is it going to waver, kind of come back to break even, go down a little, up a little, down a little, and then we lose 4 points? We'll find out in a few minutes. Let's see. What else is going? Let's see. It's shrinkage, Jerry. It's shrinkage, Jerry. It's shrinkage. Premium shrinkage is George Costanza right there. Midnight Adventure. Thank you, Midnight Adventure, for coming in. It's good to have you joining us at the gold member level. He's upgrading. Fantastic, man. Thank you. Let's see. Let's go here. I can't answer this question. CFP and CFA does. I have no idea. You could talk to someone who knows. And you know what? I just heard about the gold bagel. I heard about it last night and flipped out. So excited. Way to go. Let's see. Doug Fletcher is in the house. Hey, Doug, how you doing, man? Upgraded to the gold level. Thank you, Doug, for joining us up at this level. Appreciate you coming on board. Fabulous. Let's see. What else is going on here? I bought these options as per Uncle Bruce. When to sell these options? SoFi, 12 and a half. Not now. You are looking for a run all next week. We are going to be. You're probably going to be holding these through a good chunk of January if you play it right, because the way this stock is going to gather itself. We're not going to stay in the teens when we're done with this. So by the time you sell these contracts, if I'm right, my gut is correct, you're in the 20s somewhere. And so just enjoy the ride, man. You're getting richer. Told my wife about the gold membership. She said, offer a stink bid. It's easy. See, someone is watching. Someone is watching and learning how this game is played. Isn't that interesting? Put in a stink bid there. Brilliant, says DQ, says Bobby. Brilliant, your wife for the win. Right on. Mike, like that. Credit Savage, my SoFi options bought yesterday are all above 90% already. This is not even close to what SoFi can do. These options expire in March. Let's go. That's right, kids. That's right. Larry is saying, use desktop mode on mobile site or a real computer, not the YouTube app. That's how you can upgrade or become a gold member of this channel. Use desktop mode on mobile, on your mobile site, or use a real computer. There you go. All right. Nelson is thinking, Bobby, is sweet. Is she taking those classes? Vapo Rub says, Uncle Bruce, I had sold a Rocket Lab. I'd sold a Rocket Lab with a $20 strike price for January. Got assigned this morning. I'm a little confused why this happened. Can you shed some light? Thank you. You probably sold a put, didn't you? Yeah, sold a put with a $20 strike. So the contract is in the money. People wanted to sell you stock at 20. It's trading at 12. The premium you've already got, you get to keep, of course, and that it comes off the $20 price so that you have a net purchase position. And the stock is up 69 cents today. So the stock's going the right direction because you own the stock now and it's climbing. Now you can decide whether you want to write another contract. You want to write a 20 yet again into January or February. Your call. If you feel that the January is going to be a good month for Rocket Lab, I think it'll be fine. Then you can write the 20 or whatever one you want. And here we go again. All right. Let's see. Auntie is saying, I'm laughing, Bobby. Drink every time Bruce says gold bagel member. There you go. Carol, to Silica, do it on your iPhone or PC. Click Stock Markets with Bruce. Click Members, then click the settings wheel on the right side. Then a window pops and click where it says change level, click gold. And that's how you do it. Red Solo, the Credit Savage. Manage risk, my friend. Had a good buddy move to the beach to do what you're doing. Took a few bad trades and is back working his old job. Larry, I'm running back to DC from Virginia. All the Apple stores closed for walk-ins. I needed a new watch and they're closed. You cannot walk in. You got to have an appointment. Isn't that interesting? Yes, Credit Savage. But did he own thousands of GameStop, Matterport, LCD, and SoFi? And did he sell contracts like I do? Uncle Bruce has taught us the most conservative strategy. If you follow what he teaches you, you're going to make money up or down. There you go. Michael is saying, yeah, forget this Apple Watch crap. Get a Patek Philippe. I mean, come on. Let's see. What's going on here? Red Solo saying to credit, yeah, he owned GameStop and LCID, that I know of, but wasn't trying to start a fight though. Deep Value is having a low free float good on a stock. Is it good to have a free float that's very tiny? Yes and no. Sometimes it's good if there's high demand, but sometimes it's not good if you're trying to build volume and a strong, large, massive following. You need volume for a large following, and that's the difference. The Dow right now down 14.8 points. We've got S&P off 2.98. We have NASDAQ down up 19.97. So NASDAQ is falling, but it's still positive. The Dow is off 17. Not a serious sell-off. It's just a slow grind to the end of the day. It's going to be a battle between down 20, up 10, something like that. We'll see how this goes. We have now 18 minutes left in the day. Okay. Let's see. Let's go. Let me move on here. Speaking of shrinkage, speaking of shrinkage, never go into the Waikiki beaches after 8 p.m. on a winter week because, yeah, it gets cold and windy. Major shrinkage. Silica, I got a call from YouTube Help Desk. They know the problem, but they wouldn't help me any further. I think it's because Apple wants 30% and Google refuses to play ball. That is the issue. Dr. G, thank you, Dr. G, for becoming a gold member. Great to have you here. Appreciate that. Upgraded to the gold membership. Thank you, Dr. G. Manuel is saying, ho, ho, ho. There you go. Credit Savage, Red Solo, yeah, no fight at all, my friend. Just curious. Well, good thing I only use disposable income to play the stock market. Never invest what you can't. Prepare to lose or you're not prepared to lose. Let's see. What else is going on? Joanna saying to Credit Savage, if you need any recommendations or tips about the island, you let me know. I used to live there. There you go. Let's go. Yeah, BW is saying, should they be allowed to trade stocks in companies they also regulate? New article in the papers today. Nancy Pelosi scoops up call options for Google, Disney, Roblox stocks found on Google Finance. I think her husband bought those, but yeah, still in the family name. And of course, any member of Congress, any member of the Senate can do exactly the same. This is not reserved for the leaders of these houses, Republicans, Democrats, independents. You can do whatever the hell they want. Do you think it's right? I don't know. Credit Savage, Red Solo is saying risk management. You're doing exactly like I suggested. Silka, I'll use a Windows PC. I've tried the mobile and desktop mode. iPhone won't do it either. Let's see. A DQ saying vapor up. I had a handful of sign this morning as well. Cindy B, new member of the Gold Bagel Club. Welcome, Cindy B. She is out and out member from the outside coming in. Thank you, Cindy B, for joining this level right from the street. I'm not sure, but that name looks familiar to me. I'm wondering, Cindy, if you've been here before. Glad you're here today. Beautiful. The Credit Savage saying to Red Solo, great minds think alike. Yes, but fools seldom differ. Don't forget that. That's a Shakespearean quote. Don't ask me for any more. Let's see. False says Vapor Up. I've still got my puts I sold. They are pretty good into the money, so it makes sense why you'd gotten a sign. I'm half expecting to happen to me too. Sell My House is saying, BW, you kidding? Pelosi is the John Gotti of the U.S. Congress. Auntie, but now VaporUp just paid $20 for Rocket Lab shares. A buyer can buy your put at any time before expiry. This is why I don't buy them that far out. Gives the buyer more time to take advantage. Alrighty. Red Solo, Credit Savage, credit. It'd probably be too soon for me to send him a link to Uncle Bruce. Let's see. Jennifer, oh my gosh, so true. He's a trading beast. Credit Savage, Patek Philippe. Yeah, if you're going to buy a nice watch, buy a Bulgari kind of watch. Jethro's giving a thumbs up. Hey, buddy. How you doing, man? Socius, I think Larry has designed the new backdrop Bruce will use after he has moved. Credit Savage, Red Solo, never too soon or too late to send a Uncle Bruce link. Just put my brother-in-law on the Uncle Bruce, and he's loving it. The Savior is saying GameStop has amassed 350 plus hires from tech giants such as Amazon, Microsoft, and more. Since Cohen was placed on the board, GameStop has worked silently, building the base to be a digital first tech pioneer. Interesting behind the scenes things there. They're not talking about it. They're not promoting it. They're not bragging about it. We have to find out little tidbits of info about GameStop from just wherever. But there's no denying they've been hiring people. They are hiring and hiring and hiring, and they've got the money to do it. $1.5 billion lying around. They can afford to keep hiring and build new income streams, invest in this talent, and then build out income streams. I tell you, it's going to be interesting. We're at 12.01 on Rocket Lab, up 68 cents. We're at 15.95 on SoFi, up $1.48. GameStop up $1.42 at 155.35. Matterport is at 21.80, up 48 cents. ME 685, up 30. Spire is 355, almost 356, up about 13.5 to 14 cents. ATIP is at 330 a share, up 27.5. Smart Rent 984, up 27. Sixtera 1237, down 3. We've got the Dow down 21.9. We've got S&P down 4, and we have NASDAQ up 8.6 points. Oil up 6 cents a barrel. We are into the 13-minute mark to go before we shut it down. VaporRub just paid $20 for Rocket Lab shares. A buyer can buy your put at any time for expiring, so I don't buy them. Let's see. Thank you, Joanne. Luckily, my brother-in-law lives here, and they've seen 6 years, so we have a 10 years. We have a good in, but thank you. Right on. So thank you, Joanne. False says a cuckoo coconut gets pretty crazy on a Sunday night, and they have drinks served in pineapples. BW, yep, she's a vicious heart. I have no idea what's going on here. And people are talking about what to do over there. Okay. BW says, I called SoFi Finance customer service yesterday to combine accounts. Dude said he left Fidelity after 10 years as he sees what SoFi has coming. He said options order flow no later than by the end of the first quarter in 2022. Get ready. It's coming on SoFi. Okay. Let's see. What else is going on? Socius, it took me 30 seconds to find where to upgrade on a Windows PC, says Socius. Uncle Bruce, I wrote some 170 calls for next Friday on GameStop at the peak today. Sell or hold? You were cautioning us on writing. Just be careful. I have this vibe that GameStop is just not interested in giving up much ground here. All afternoon we're still positive, 151, still up 151 a share. If you're making money, great. I have no idea what it'll do in the morning, but it's been showing strength lately. I'm just saying, that's my take on it. But you could make money on it, absolutely. Let's see. Let's go. Okay. We're just staying on top of this market here. Where else are we at right now? We're at 1592 on SoFi. We're up 167 on GameStop. Spire sitting at 354. ATIP at 329. And we're down only 2 pennies on Sextera. IBM holding 134.03. The Dow now down 48, actually down 39, excuse me. We're down 6.7 on S&P. We're down 0.29 on NASDAQ. NASDAQ has now gone negative from the gains. Nasdaq is now down 7. So there is a sell wave coming in here in the last 10 minutes. It could be computer generated, could be all algorithmic, and there could be a buy order coming the other direction at the bell. I don't know, but we are off now on the Dow, 70 points. This is what I was talking about. Right at the end of the day, we're going to see volatility now. We're going to see this kind of stuff today and tomorrow as different hedge funds make moves. So keep an eye on your markets, keep an eye on your stocks. Not that the former Spacs are in the front line of volatility for this kind of trading, but there are funds out there making moves. They're moving billions of dollars of stock around to kind of reposition themselves. That's what's happening, and we're going to get these gyrations on the indexes, okay? We've got GameStop up 152 holding there, SoFi at 1590, Rocket Lab 1202, Matterport 2173, ME at 689, Spire 353, ATIP 329, SmartRent 983, Cyxtera 1236. Not a lot happening, but the Dow is off 65, S&P down 11, and NASDAQ down 14 and a half. That's what we have happening here on a very quick volatile close on big markets. Down 77 on the Dow now, 12 on S&P, down 17 on NASDAQ. All right, keep an eye on all that. I can guarantee a GameStop won't break 160 this week, says Scully. Credit Savage, Uncle Bruce, I made the same boo-boo Dr. G made and sold a 150 call for next Friday on GameStop and took an $8 premium, looking to buy it back tomorrow or next week. Let's see. BW is saying to me, Stock Markets with Bruce, that SoFi Finance dude was very tongue-in-cheek and spoke in vagueness, but did say he took all his finances and his wife's and put it all into SoFi. You only live once, from an insider. There you go. It's pretty neat to hear that. Boom. GameStop drops $2 in one trade. Called it. There you go. GameStop at 36 cents gained 154.29 right now. The Dow off 81.9, S&P down 12, NASDAQ down 17. This is what we're talking about. Volatility coming into the last 7-8 minutes of the day today. GameStop now up 66 at 154.59. SoFi 1589, up $1.43, and we've had over 30 million trade. SoFi volume now 38.9 million. GameStop volume is 1.44 million. We're up $1 now at 154.93. Now 155.01 on GameStop. Okay. Watching a lot of swings going on here. The Dow now down 61, now down 57. S&P down 9.8, NASDAQ down 10 points. So we're really jumping here. I got a couple of call contracts, Cindy B says, on Goldman Sachs. I'm waiting to sell a poor man covered call, but it just keeps going down. There you go. We're looking at Goldman now at down 56 cents at 385. I would wait until tomorrow or Monday on writing calls on Goldman. I just hold off. 390 to 400 is doable on this stock, and then you might be writing 405s and 410s. Just my 2 bits worth. Can't guarantee it, but I tell you, it's something to watch out for. Cruise stocks have backed off. We're off 76 on Royal Caribbean at 77.46. We were this morning as high as 79.94, and they've got as low as 76.72 here on Royal Caribbean. Norwegian and Carnival have also dropped off and are still slipping. Cisco down 28 cents, 63.68. Alrighty, let's go back here. We're up $1.19 on GameStop. The Dow now down 44, coming back a bit. Down 7 on S&P, 6 minutes to go. NASDAQ down 3 points. Look at that. Look at this volatility. You can just see it going up and down, up and down. Let's see. BW is saying to Michael, yeah, I thought so. Just shoot the breeze. And he started talking it up. So I just listened. He almost sounded giddy on the phone and made a comment. He saw my recent SoFi share buys and he was, yep, there you go. Ed Hawkins, what a day. My ME options are up 50% from yesterday. Now I'm only down 98% since I bought them. Well, you're on your way back. Yay. 693 on the stock. It's actually, perking up a little bit right here at the bell. The ME stock was sitting at what was that trade down there? It got down to like 380, 680. Now it's 693. It's up 13 cents in about 5 minutes on ME. Nothing crazy. 3.2 million volume at 693 right now. Coming on at the end of the day a little bit. Not going to read too much into it, but I like a little uptick at the end of the day always. Rocket Lab is also ticking higher at the bell, 1206 now, up 73 cents. The high of the day for Rocket Lab, 1210. We're pushing the high of the day here at the end. SoFi 5093, we're up 88 cents on GameStop. Matterport 2180, Spire at 354, and ATIP at 329. Smart Rent 985. Sextera unchanged, ticking up right now, unchanged at 1240. Z Estate, I wrote a covered call with a 160 expiring tomorrow. Looking forward to purchasing it back on GameStop. I'm assuming that's what you're talking about. 154.95, up $1 at the moment. Dr. J, I think that drop was my trade. I just bought the 450 covered call back at 280. Nice trade. Let's see. Let's go. LL's going knee. Let's go. Anti-PC Vapor Up says the premium was 880, so I made a tiny bit still. Now I say I shouldn't have made a move earlier though. Thank you. End of the day, shorters dropping their trousers at the moment, showing their hands. SoFi shorters running for the hills as fast as they can. 1593 up, 1594 now, up 147 on SoFi. Let's see. Let's go. Scully is saying Scotia is also right. When GameStop hit 160, 10% off exchange volume, jumped 10%. It's not breaking 160. Matterport on only 3 million today. It still hasn't had its green day. Max saying, I'm surprised cruise stocks haven't fallen further. CDC is suggesting we not cruise even if vaccinated. I'm just waiting for them to shut it down. I just can't believe it hasn't happened. I guess the administration is putting up some resistance to not letting it happen at the moment. Assign is a gold member. Assign has joined up to become, I believe, a gold member. Yep, thank you for upgrading for that, Assign. Appreciate you as always. SoFi was at 1785 a month ago. Rocket Lab was 1680. GameStop was 195. It's been a good day, but we're still nowhere close to where we were. I agree with that, but the turnaround has begun, I think. All right, my fellow simpletons, the Credit Savage is saying, and Uncle Bruce just had a brunch, and will now go to the flower gardens with my daughter. She wants to see that. Going fishing in a bit while drinking a Blue Wave. Have a good day, guys. Credit Savage, enjoy Waikiki. Fantastic. KW, I upgraded. I need all the help I can get. Right on, KW. Way to go. We are coming into the last 2 minutes of the day. We're down 112 on the Dow. We're down 17 on S&P. We're down 33 on NASDAQ. All the weakness in the last 20 minutes, 25 minutes, all the weaknesses come in. 106 drop on the Dow at the moment as we are coming through to the final bell. We got a minute or so to go, and Larry will hit the bell soon. David Holtz, thank you, Dave, for the donation on PayPal. That just came through. I just got the alert. Thank you so much for that. 106 drop on the Dow, 114 now, a 16-point drop on S&P, 34 on NASDAQ as we're closing on a down note. That is what is happening here, kids, as we're coming into the last few minutes of the trading day. 380 of you are here. Thank you, all of you, for the thumbs ups today. 196 of them. Only 4 away from 200 thumbs ups right at the end of the day. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. SoFi, 1594 now, down 147. Good day. Give me 5 days like that. $7 gain, I'll take that anytime. 750 gains, I'll take that. SoFi, we've done that. Yeah, we're all fine. We're good. The worm has turned. That's what's going on. The worm has turned, my friend. Everything is green pretty well. Very good. GameStop holding an 83-cent gain right now. Sextera is unchanged at 1240 right at this moment. We're getting ready for the bells. They're coming through here anytime. Let's go. Associate's saying, let's hope this is turned. I'm all for it. Absolutely. Let's have it happen, baby. Let's make it go. 104 drop on the Dow, 104, 1594 on S&P, and a 30-point drop on NASDAQ. Procter & Gamble and Microsoft are the leading losers, they say. IBM still up 62 cents. Microsoft down 260 a share. Definitely a last 20-minute dip. Apple down 118, definitely a dip. Tesla down $15, definitely a last 20-minute dip. Absolutely. Cisco down 34. Amazon down $11. Facebook up $1.40. Alphabet, Google down $10. And Larry has made it official for all of us to see. The bells have rung. We are done for the day. The Dow did have a bit of a pop at the very end with an 84-point loss rather than 105, about a 20-point recovery. Now 80.9 points, so about a 25-point bounce back. Looks like at the end of the day came in on the Dow Jones. Not surprising to see this. We've been hitting highs, record highs now yesterday, today. We've had 6 straight up days. We finally have a down day on this market, but we're not closed tomorrow, and we're not closed Monday. We're up and running, and we can go higher. We could go higher. Anyway, there it is. Thanks, Larry. Ding-a-ling here. Spire was trying for its 20-cent gain today again. I just purchased 400 Matterport. When do we write those? Get ready. Let's see. Let's go. I'd wait to see what next week brings exactly. A last bell ringing for a while tomorrow morning. I have 2 weeks of jury duty. Oh, Lair. That's just not right. It's just, oh gosh, unbelievable. Rocket Lab looks like final trade of 1203 up 70 cents. The Rocket Lab high today was 1210, volume 2.19 million. In the aftermarket, it's now 1203 as well. SoFi closing out at 1595, a little uptick at the end. Total volume 40,500,000 approximately, with a 1593 aftermarket down 2 pennies at the moment. Gamestop 155.18 up $1.25, now 155.22 up 4 more cents. 1.52 million for the day on volume on GameStop. Matterport closing at 21.82 up 50 cents. No change in the aftermarket at the moment. 3.16 million traded on a slow week, to be expected. ME 690 final final trade, aftermarket trading at $7 up 10 cents. Volume today 3.4 million on ME. Spire 355 last trade, $3.55 up 13 cents. Right now 354 in the aftermarket. The volume 681,000 on Spire. ATIP final trade 330 a share. High today was 339.5. 1.21 million traded today on ATIP. A very good day today on both of those stocks, but ATIP is shining. Smart Rent 987 up 30 cents with a 985 aftermarket. 407,000 traded. The high was 1008, closing at 987. Sextera did not have a change in price. 1240 unchanged on the day. The low was 1223. The high was 1245. So we had a 22-cent range. 149,000 volume. That's where we're at on Sextera, very close to its all-time high. AMC closed with a 95-cent gain. Robinhood with a $1.09 gain. Vanek lost 356. Home Depot gave it up at the end, losing 83 cents. All day was mostly positive, although down in the morning. But 410 final trade. IBM up 59 cents, was up all day, did not go down negative at all. 133.94. Up 59 cents on IBM. The Dow final quote looks like 90-point loss on the Dow. And Microsoft down 263. Apple down 118. Tesla down 15.85. Bed Bath & Beyond up a penny. BlackBerry up 28. Royal Caribbean lost 87 cents when it was all said and done at 77.35. Goldman down 71 cents to 385.49. Cisco lost 34 cents when it was all said and done as well. Amazon down $11, Facebook up 140, Google down $10. JP Morgan down 8 cents, Costco down 386, Walmart up 46 cents, Nvidia down $4. Disney gained $1 to 155.95. Those are some of the key quotes there. American Airlines up 2 cents to 1807. DraftKings up 187 to 28.46. Moderna up 373. DoorDash was up $2, Airbnb up $1.30. Micron down 228 and Intel down 9 cents. Gave it up at the end. Intel was up all day. Intel was sitting at 52 to 52.10 all day. Lost it all, ending up at 51.74. But so what? I mean, lost 9 cents. I mean, big deal. No whoop, nothing burger here. Quiet days. There you go. There's what we had happen here on our faves. Looking at SoFi now in the aftermarket, it's showing $15.95 unchanged. Already 682,000 shares traded already on SoFi. $15.95, 680,000 shares changing hands on SoFi. Interesting market there. And let's see if I can look up over here. I think I can do this by doing this. I think I can do this. Hang on. I think I can do this. Let me double check if I can make this work. Hit that button right there. And after hours. Okay, Rocket Lab down 3. SoFi unchanged. Actually now up a penny, $15.96. After hours for GameStop up 6 cents. Matterport up 7 cents. 23andMe at $7, up 9 cents. Down a penny on Spire. ATIP, no after hours trading yet. Smart Rent down 2 pennies, no after hour trading on Cyxtera. Apple, no change on after hours. We're up 2 cents on Goldman after hours, and we're down a penny on Cisco at the moment, at this point in time. Welcome all to the channel. Thank you again for all of you for your support today. I really appreciate it. Let's just see here what we have. Let's see. Thanks, Uncle Bruce. Thanks, Amongst Great Days. Thanks, buddy. Thank you for being here. What else? Larry Titus is going in. Guilty. Let's go charter announcement, says Joe. Let's see. You know what, Larry? Bring a bell into court. Ring it there. What the hell? What else? Oh man. Let's go. ATIP and SoFi to the moon. I don't feel comfortable writing 30s on Matterport right now. Splayer, after this amazing day, I wish you all a good break and good dreams while you're all sleeping, hopefully enough. Cheers. And Uncle Bruce, if you can't read my comment tomorrow, well, then, thanks, buddy. I hope you will have an enjoyable weekend while moving into the next point. If I hear this right, if so, then have a safe travel. I'll be here tomorrow morning. I'll be on tomorrow morning as usual, but not tomorrow afternoon. That's the deal. So just kind of stick around with us if you could. Thank you all. Let's see. What's going on here? Let's go. Market just opened, Your Honor. Excuse me. Just shush the judge. He'll understand. Just, hey, I'm busy right now. I'm working with Uncle Bruce. Uncle Bruce. Oh, court dismissed. 5-minute break. Carol, thank you, Carol, for this $5 super sticker. Appreciate you. I'm appreciating that. Fantastic. Keep it up. I'll do the best I can. Carol, I'll do the best I can. Let's see. Uncle Bruce at the Holiday Inn this weekend says, what? Let's see. Happy New Year, Uncle B. Thank you, guys. I'll be here tomorrow morning. We'll do the wishes tomorrow. It's all good. I'm going to watch I'm going to watch a movie with my SO Cheers associates. Let's see. Larry, tell the courts you can't surf because you need to run your business, managing your portfolio here, Let's see. Please shush the judge and be sure to do it live. We want to watch this. Yeah, we want to see that. Why are they carrying him off in handcuffs? What's going on with that? Will you take the lamp to the new apartment? Lorraine wants to know. Let's hope for a great 2022. What lamp? There's no lamp here. I don't know what you're talking about. What lamp are you talking about? No idea what you folks are. You guys are seeing things. That's what's going on. I bet you. We have 224 thumbs ups now for this show. Thank you for getting me over the 200 mark. I do appreciate that. Every bit helps. It makes such a difference. I appreciate this all. Thank you. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Okay, we got to get ready to pack this up. Got to help Jen pack here. We're packing up our clothes and our stuff and putting our groceries together. And we're out of here tomorrow at around noon hour. I guess we're going to be out of here. And we're going to head over to the hotel for a day and a half. Celebrate New Year's here in Palm Desert, and then we'll be in our condo on Sunday afternoon again. Our next condo, our second condo, for the next 2 months till the end of February. We're looking forward to the move in, and looking forward to getting settled in over there. Of course, we got to schlep everything in there, and then we got to unpack everything. And oh, geez, hardship, hard times. It used to be so much easier. It's not that easy anymore. But thank you guys for all your kind wishes, best wishes, and good thoughts. Thank you. Let's rock on. You betcha. That thing's got to come with us. It's golden member. It's got to come with us. Just go into the courtroom and yell, "You can't handle the truth." That's what you should do. BW Larry, you'll be covered. Don't double dipping in the markets when you're being provided a cold ham and cheese sandwich on a paper bag and getting $7 an hour while on jury duty. There's no problem there. Anyway, Spir, I asked about this already. The lamp will be a unique tool in Palm Springs, like an Easter egg. Red Solo number 25. And if I can't make it tomorrow, thank you for the great year, Uncle Bruce, and Happy New Year's to you and every bagel head. You can't handle Larry's gold member. You can't handle that. Sorry, I mean Palm Desert green screen. That's what I meant to say. Hey, Uncle Bruce, did someone else from Israel was about a class in the last few days? Must be a friend here. I don't know, my friend. I'm not sure. It doesn't tell me where these folks are from when they buy them necessarily. Although I might be able to check out some of this stuff. But I don't share those details. Those are secret details. You know what? I don't know about these new kids just coming in off the street and attaining a gold member level right off the get go. They haven't even paid a price. They haven't done. What's with this? Is this right, Joe? They only knew us original bagel apes. We had to toil for months through all of the badge colors. Now we can become gold members. What's this? Beach Boy, you're welcome. See you soon, says Blair. What's that? Bleach Creature, a new member. Thank you for joining. Welcome to the gold member level. Just joining it, walking in off the street, just walking right in off the street and becoming a gold member, gold bagel member, just like that. Welcome, Bell. Is it Belch Creature or Blatch Creature? I don't know what to call you. BC is here, number 27. Welcome to the show and welcome to the channel. Love having you. My method is saying I followed the story very, very carefully in the news. I already have my own opinions. Austin, late to the party. I will be shotgunning a beer with Michael as a result of Sofi's performance today. Bruce, one last night to have the spa hot tub correct. How about you do a cannonball into the evening? Bleacher Creature, Bruce. That's what it is. Bleacher Creature. All right. I'll thank you for helping me out. I need all the help I can get, man. I'm also kind of tired. DQ. I like to say I've been in jail. The defendant won't make it there. Not guilty. It's Bleacher Creature. Dang, gold level. Walking right in. Just walking right in off the street. I think Bleacher Creature has been a member before. But it's been away for a while and now it's coming back in. Thank you for coming back. I was subscribed from the beginning, Cindy B level. I think you still owe me a postcard from Creston too. Oh my gosh. We did get postcards coming back, address, no good, no longer at this address. We get that. So we were getting that stuff for a while. So if some of you didn't get those postcards, maybe that's the problem. Or maybe you're undesirables as far as the post office is concerned. They're afraid of your neighborhood. I don't know. Larry's gold member. Oh, I'm laughing. KW, we need some intel soon. It will create more gold members, creating FOMO from all of us making money. DQ, Beach Boy, Lewinkin. Oh, anti-Saint. Bleacher Creature, returning member, glad to be back. Glad to have you, and welcome to the gig. Those of you who become gold members today, look for your first alert tomorrow morning. Before we start the rant and the Raven, I should be able to get one out tomorrow morning. Hector, Uncle Bruce, no luck upgrading my membership. No luck at all. Yeah, that's got to be because you've got to be in Windows. You probably need to get on a PC or something like that. Somehow you're going to find a way to upgrading your membership. It's going to happen. You're going to figure it out, and we're going to welcome you with open arms, obviously. Keep trying and see if it can happen. Don't worry. Fear of missing out, Uncle Bruce. Like I say, I don't know everything. I forget half of these. I really am just so overwhelmed with all this stuff. Flint Creek, I have learned so much this year. Been here since March. The best lesson I learned is to keep emotions out of this game. It really helped. There you have it. Beach Boy DQ. What's up, dude? Flesh Infection. LL upgrade once. I'll upgrade once my current one expires. There you go. That you can always do that. No problem at all. Thank you all for everything today. 244 of the thumbs ups come in. We're only 6 away from 250 thumbs ups for the afternoon show. Thank you for that, everyone. The analytics are showing a good audience participation today for this show. Thank you guys for being here on this one, and also for this morning, and also for becoming Gold Bagel members. Gold Bagel. Oh, you gotta love it. Oh my goodness, look at this. British Shilling has become an upgrader. British Shilling, thank you for upgrading to the group. Appreciate that. BW, if we go gold, Bruce, will you gonna get a new ensemble to wear? Maybe a shiny green suit and a monocle, kind of like that Monopoly guy. DQ Beach Boy, I keep laughing at that Larry comment. KW, hey Flesh, will you get money off the new membership for upgrading? They prorate it. Yeah, I think if you prorate, yeah, I'm not sure how this works. I don't know. I'm just guessing. Joe, Hector, click See Perks button, then settings gear, then change level. Joe's trying to help Hector here. Beach Boy, Auntie finally got the joke. Finally got the joke. Hector, exactly. Fear of missing out. Don't say anything important to the goldies until I get there. Larry, YouTube prorated the cost for me since I was midway into the month already. They prorated it. There you go. You don't have to wait till the end. KW, okay, thank you. I didn't know that. BW, Flesh Infection, it prorates you on what you've already paid for your membership. Michael, Bruce, stop saying it. I'm getting drunk. What? Gold member? Gold member? Gold member? Gold bagel member? Gold bagel member? Gold bagel member? Gold bagel. I should stop saying that? Beach Boy Larry, you're going to get technical now. BW, yep, I was prorated like $7.53 when I upgraded to the channel. Island Girl desktop mode. Uncle Bruce desktop mode. Austin, Michael, dude, you drinking every time he says gold bagel member? Gold bagel member? Buy 'em, says Michael. Nice knowing you guys. They're under the table. Yeah. Gold bagel member. Gold bagel member. Gold bagel member. We're going down. 252 thumbs ups. Yep. We're heading lower. They're going under the table any moment now. Thank you guys so much for everything. We're up 6 cents in the aftermarket on Rocket Lab. We're down a nickel on SoFi. We're at down 71 cents on GameStop at 154.62 aftermarket. Aftermarket Matterport up 14, 21.97. Down a nickel on 23andMe. No change on Spire 354, 355. No trading on ATIP yet. Smart Rent, no change, 985, no changes. No trading on Sextera. We're up 2 on Apple. We're up 28 on Goldman. We're down 6 cents on Cisco. That's what I see here at the moment. Let's see if I can add this one to the mix. Tesla has been added to my aftermarket list. We're down 101 on Tesla to 1,069. That's where we're at right now. Okay. Folks, thank you so much for being here today. I got to get going. Guys, thank you. Let's see. Had someone seen Ryan Cohen's tweet taking a dump in the metaverse with the picture of a virtual dude wearing a VR on the toilet? Sirens outside of Michael's house. Larry is laughing. Let's see. Gold, neat gold. The golden schwans. What's the gold member count up to today? Is up Uncle Bruce upgrading to the Fisker Karma yet? Gold, Jerry, gold. And I never watched the film, if you believe it. Forget Tesla. Lucid incoming for Bruce. Beach Boy, Auntie saying, yeah, I finally got the joke. Wink, wink. Gotta watch now for Larry, says Beach Boy. Gotta watch for Larry. All right, guys, that's it for me. I'm done. I'm pooped. I gotta get a break. I gotta help Auntie Jen pack up. Little things here as we get cleaned up out of this condo. We're out of here tomorrow afternoon. We'll see you tomorrow morning, though, at 8:30, first thing, as always. And those of you who are gold members, keep your eyes peeled for your first pre-market investor update from yours truly as a gold member. That I have to figure out how to load that up and everything. I got stuff to do. Oh man, I got stuff to do. Thank you. Take care, Bruce and all. Off to get my stomach pumped. Oh, good luck through tough life on the run. BW Bruce equals gentleman and a scholar. Thank you, Larry. Take the non-lamp with you. Auntie, not easy being on the lamp. Beach Boy 99. Thanks, guys. Have a great evening. Stay healthy for me. Don't get sick out there. Have a good night, Uncle B. We'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Pre 8:30 and at 8:30 for gold members and all others. Thank you so much for your support. Take care. Have a great night. We'll see you later. Thanks, Nelson. DQ. Thanks, Beach Boy. Definitely not Auntie. Good night, guys. Don't forget your cat, says British. So don't forget your cat. Okay, guys. See you later. Bye for now.